What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Michelle and it is a pleasure to have you here. So today I'm actually going to show you guys how to remove this frizz in less than 10 seconds. If you're somebody like me who lives in a place where it's very humid, you know that frizz is our enemy. So with that being said, if you're interested in learning how to remove frizz in under 10 seconds, please keep watching. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. So not only can frizz be caused by humidity, but it could also be the fact that your hair just grows unevenly, and it happens to everyone. If you didn't know, our hair doesn't always grow at the same pace, which is sometimes why we have these shorter little pieces. It's not necessarily breakage unless you are blonde and you're practically platinum, then it could be breakage, but if not, it's just new hair growing in. Right now, I have a lot of new hair growing in and just shorter pieces throughout the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we can tame this frizz, okay? The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your hair is completely detangled, brushed out, and styled, obviously, but it should already be styled. All right, so once you've done that, you want to go ahead and grab your favorite hairspray. Today I'm actually using the Kenra Professionals Working Hairspray. It has a flexible hold and I personally really like it. It's very similar to the Monet one, but I just feel like I personally need a little bit more of a hold than my Monet hairspray. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hairspray, grab my hand, and I'm going to spray my hand. So what this is gonna do is that it's gonna help you tame the hair exactly how you want it. You're gonna spray your hands. You're gonna rub your hands together so like that you have product on both hands, and very gently and softly, you're gonna run your hands over your hair. So what this is gonna do is you're gonna be able to apply your hairspray, but once again, you're not gonna have to oversaturate the hair by just spraying it on. So you're able to do that again and again until you are completely pleased with the results. Something else that you can do is you can go ahead and grab a brush, spray the brush, and then lay it down. I just personally feel like I don't like to have so much product on my brushes because when you're gonna use it again, you're gonna have to go ahead and either clean it or just deal with the mess. So I just feel like my hands work perfectly fine. So once again, you just spray your hand, rub them together, and you can kind of just not even touch the hair, just let the product sit on top of your hair and you are officially done. You guys, that is how you get rid of frizz under 10 seconds. It's super easy. It does not harm your hair. And I promise you, your hairstyle will last all day. Something you can do also is maybe keep a small hairspray in your bag for the times that you feel, or for the days that you feel like you're gonna need it. But usually this trick holds off throughout the day, so I don't think that you're gonna have to take anything with you, but you can, like I said, if it's a special day or if you're gonna go on a date or whatever the case may be. So that is all for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one.